Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy C2 on 2 wheels, and I'm back with another video. Today, I got episode 4, video 4 of my off-season maintenance. I plan on this being my last video. I've got everything that I'm gonna need. I ended up getting my tire put on, go Continental on the rear, go Dunlop on the front. I still got some life in that front tire, so I'm not gonna worry about it right now. And over here, I got everything that I'm gonna end up needing in this video today. I'm gonna end up using the OEM sprocket that I had. I got the small sprocket that I put on there last video. I got my sprocket cover, got my spacers right here, got them nice and cleaned up. Got all of my bolts and nuts, got them shined up, nice and polished, cleaned up, everything looking good. Got all my tools, my ratchets, my hammers. I was gonna go cheater bar to put the nuts and bolts back on, but then I ended up finding out that I had a torque wrench in one of my toolboxes. So I'm gonna rock out with that right there, and I'm gonna go to spec on those, just so I make sure that everything's right, everything's solid. I got my chain cover, chain guard right here. Got me some anti-seize, got me some Loctite, and I got me some grease right here. And then these right here, I'm really wanting to pop these out. Once I get everything put on, those are definitely gonna go on this wheel right here. Before I get started on this, I do want to give a shout out to Caltrick. They did work with me. I was outside of the return date. According to their return policy, it's 30 days. By the time I got in contact with them, it was about 32. They did look out. They allowed me to return it. They got me my full refund. So I definitely don't want to put dirt on their name. Like I said in my last video, I've come to the realization that I'm most likely just gonna go OEM. And speaking of, I ended up going DID on the chain. I got me a 520 DZ2 Gold Edition. When I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my chain and realized that cheaper isn't always better, I told myself, let me just go ahead and spend the extra bread to go ahead and get me something quality over quantity. Good reviews on these chains right here, and I definitely got a good deal on them. And so far as when I was talking about the weight on my last chain, this one definitely picks up and holds heavier than the black chain that I had from Caltrick, but it's almost on the same weight grade, on the same weight scale as the one that I took off of my bike previously. So this is a 110 link, 110. So once I get my wheel put back on, I'm gonna go with this DID Gold Edition. Got my master link and all my clips right here. I wanna say that's about it, man. So with that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop straight into it, man. Let me give me some B-roll. Get me some B-roll, get me some B-roll, you feel me? First order of business, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sprocket put back on the wheel, get those spacers in there, and go from there. Nah, I'm gonna need these. I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite on my threads. Well, this is anti-seize, Loctite brand. And then I'm gonna put some Loctite on there. I don't know how this combo is gonna work. I don't want my threads to seize, but I also don't want them to come off. So if you've ever done this, this would be my first time trying it out. A little experimentation. First, we're gonna go in there with the medium string, just a dab. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't need much because this stuff works wonders, and it will indeed get spread around when the nuts go in there and the threads lock into place. And then we're gonna follow it up with a little bit of anti-seize. Go 1, 2, whoa, too much. 3, get a little bit off of there with that one right there. 4, 5, and then we go last one, we go 6. So according to the Suzuki specs, the rear sprocket nut is supposed to be 21.5 foot-pounds. So that's what we're gonna go with. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and set my torque wrench to 21.5. So right now we're at 15, let's see, hold on, 15. And then on the other side, we go 20, 20.5, 21, 21.5. This is the settings I'm gonna be working with. Whoa, technical difficulties in the shop. Got it set to 21.5. Let's rock out. Go ahead and run them down. wrong size. Oh, does the box ain't even fit? What's going on? Hold on. That's a 12 mil, right? Hold on, let's see. Is this a 14? Where my 14 at? I just had it. Hold on, bro. Tighten up. What? So this time, I'm definitely not gonna make the same mistake twice. When I go to torque these down, I'm gonna go open in, and yeah, should be good. Whoever tightened these down at the manufacturing shop or the plant or whoever put this bike together, them boys use whole string. I'm not gonna lie, cause when I was trying to get these jokers off, these jokers did not want to budge. Are you serious? And the pressure that I'm putting on these right now is Nathan. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we in business. Come on now. Boom. And just like that, man, I done got my sprocket torqued back down, got it put back on. Now it's time to go ahead and get these spacers back in here. I'm gonna come over here to the bike. Let me get back right, man, hold up. Get my lighting back right. Oh, I'm sitting here trying to fix one problem. I done created another. Just like that, we back in business. Yes, sir. As you can see, I got my extension block right here, my extension cord. Got my stuff jigged together. The fluorescents are out right now, so the shop is not lit how it's supposed to be, but I'm gonna go ahead and jig something up, get it right. Got my light right there, my light right there. Bow, them big body lumens right there, and then you see, I got my camping lantern right there. Like I was saying previously, I'm about to come back here and get everything taken off, get my caliper taken off, get this chain guide taken off so that way I can get my rim back in. I'ma definitely still need to utilize my brush box so that my ankle's not working overtime today, and get the chain put back on, and we should be good, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. Boom, spacers, spacer 1, spacer 2. Go ahead and put them boy right there. Boom, put that joker right there. I believe I have everything. So, let me go ahead and get right.
Hey, yo, Hanzo.
Go ahead and get my grease. A little bit goes a long way. Oh yeah, we back. Ooh, we back. Yes, sir. Come on now, stop playing.
I just believe, and I got a game plan. You always gotta have a game plan. You know, what we're slacking is this. We have to write our ideas down and sit it right there on the nightstand. And you got to see every day, you see certain goals. You can write down 10 goals. You got to roll the dice and take a chance on yourself. See, I don't have to put myself number one. Because men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie.
Just like that, man, I went ahead and got my chain put back on. Looking good. The gold on gold is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, the gold on gold is nasty. I'm glad I ended up returning the black one, going with the gold one. Definitely nice accent to the bike. Everything is slowly but surely getting put back together. Last order of business I'm gonna have to do is go ahead and get my wheel set to where I need it to be, get my chain tightened, put my guards back on, put my hub covers on, and I wanna say that's done deal on the off-season maintenance, man. Got about a finger and a half, 2 fingers in there. I think that's good. The spec on the axle nut calls for 72.5. God, that joker finna be tough, boy. 72.5. Let's rock out. A little bit of chain lube left in this can, so if it's not enough, I'm gonna just go the shade tree mechanic route, use some bar and chain oil. It's all the same thing. As long as the chain got some lube on it, that's all that matters. I got my wheel on. Yes, sir. Got my chain guard back on. Got my sprocket guard back on. Everything in business, everything looking good, everything righty-tighty. Yes, sir. Got the axle on there. Last order of business is to go ahead and unwrap this candy. Now, if you can guess, go ahead and guess down below. Or if you've already assumed what it was. Hold on, let's go ahead and focus on there. We go DRZ valve stem covers, man. The last little addition to the off-season maintenance. With a little build in there, I guess you could say. So boom. Yes, sir. These jokers right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then we go clutch cover, man. What's going on? These jokers all over the place. Ain't no free rides, my boy. Ain't no free rides. Just like that, it's gonna conclude this video. I done went ahead, changed the oil in my bike, changed my coolant. Went ahead, got an aftermarket DRZ clutch cover, new tire, cut up on. And then for my candy, I went ahead and went a little addition, man. Went ahead and went valve stem covers with the DRZ emblem on there. Yeah, man, not really much else to do. Like I said, in the next video, I'm gonna probably take it to the wash, go ahead and get it nice and cleaned up. It's got a little dirt, got a little dust grime on there from sitting through the winter, but that's expected. If you made it this far, I appreciate you for watching, not only in this video, but in the series. I've got a couple other bikes that I'm gonna be working on here coming through the spring and summer. Stay tuned for those videos. If you guys wanna see those and you enjoyed the maintenance, the off-season maintenance series, comment down below, or just let me know, and I'll definitely keep them up. So yeah, man, with that being said, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you for watching. And until next time, man, peace, love, safety, more life to you all. You dig? Yes, sir. Get a little prime. Yes, sir. They get right. Now let me go ahead and get up out of here before I get some carbon monoxide. Feel me? But it joke is so sweet. It joke is so sweet.
Let's go, move!
6 down!
Yes, sir!
Oh my goodness!
That's what I'm talking about, Malcolm.
Yeah, Malcolm! Bring it on home! Bring it home!
Way to stick with it, Malcolm Stewart.
Come on, Malcolm!
Right, and getting those run through the whoops, you just have to wonder what's
1:58.
Malcolm Stewart.
There you go, Malcolm. Bring it home, man. Keep it on 2 wheels.
Malcolm Stewart on the cusp of getting his first 450 Supercross win. And
Come on, Malcolm, bring it home. 55 seconds.
Supercross champion. At the age of 32.
There you go. Keep it on two.
The rider
There
from
you go.
Haines City here in Florida has never won a 450 main. So
It's just so crazy.
he almost had a second advantage when we showed you guys the times. Oh, look at the bottom of the
After a
screen.
devastating injury, missed an entire season, came back last year, got better and better every time on the bike. And
Yeah, Malcolm.
last weekend we really got a glimpse.
Bring it home.